Fine. In the last session, you learned the working base multiplication less than 100. Here you are going to learn the multiplication which is less than 1000. Right. The sutra which I am going to use is Yavadunam, that is by the deficiency. Right. Let us go with this. This is an extension of base multiplication only. To start with this, okay. So what you need to do? So you take this 208 into 216. Let me write down here 208 into 216. See, it's very important to know the proper base, that is base and as well as working base. Selecting a proper base and as well as working base is very important part. Now by observing the number, these are that is 208 and as well as 216, which is near to 200, right? Near to 200. So what I can do now, I can take the working base or the base as 100. The base is 100 and the working base is 200. Find the ratio of this. So this is going to be ratio is 2. Now let us start working with this way. Now as the base is 100, so the answer in a left and as well as right part you will get. For the right part you will have 2 digits number, 2 digits here, right? So 208, so take a difference of this 200 and 208, that is going to be 08, right, and as well as 16. So both numbers are more than the base. So now what you need to do, you have to multiply this 16 into 8, 16 into 8. So by using Lopana Sthapanabhyam, what you can do, you directly multiply this 8 ones are 8, that is going to be 80, 8 6 are 48. So 128 you got it. So 128 you are supposed to write it in right side, but as we know that only 2 digits is required here, write down 28 and 1 carry. Now either go with this addition or this, that is 208 plus 16, 208 plus 16 or 216 plus 8. So what happens here, 224 you will get. So that 224 is not going to be your answer, left part of the answer. You have to multiply this left part of the answer into 2. Why 2? Because the ratio is 2. So what happens here, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. So add 1 to this, that is 449. 44928 is the answer for this. That is what is that, 208 into 216. Okay, let us go with the second problem here. So now let me go with this 865 into 912. 865 into 912. Here what I can do, both numbers are near to the base 1000, right? 1000. So reduce it. So what happens here, in this case you can take either 900. Let me go with the 900 because so this is working base multiplication method. No, let me take 900 as a working base, and as well as theoretical base, let me consider it as a 100. So the ratio will become 9, right? The answer I will get it in 2 parts, as you know, that is left and right. In the right part, because as the base has base is 100 and as well as it has 2 zeros, so here you will get 2 digits, right? Now so 900, find the difference of it. 900 minus 865, you will get 35 here. 900, this is minus, right? And 900 plus 12 here, this is 12. So multiply this now. 12 into 3, 12 into 3, that is 360. 12 into 5 is 60, that is 420 you got, but this is negative number. So 20 minus 4 minus. Now go with this way or this way. 912 minus 35 or otherwise 865 plus 12, that is 877. 877. This should be multiplied by 9. You can adopt any method. So multiplication by 9 you learned in the first level, that you can adopt. 9 8s or otherwise Lopana Sthapanabhyam will be easy for it. 9 8s are 72, 7200 9 sevens are 63, 630 because it is in a tens place, 9 sevens are 63. So 3, 6 plus 3, 9, 6 plus 2, 8 and 7. So this is going to be 7893. Now first subtract this. Minus 4, so 93. So 7893 minus 4, that is going to be 7889. So minus 20. Now apply Nikilam Sutra for this. Right, 20. 20. So Nikilam Sutra, all minus what is that? All from 9, last from 10. You can apply. So this will come. 10 minus 0 is 10. 1 carry. 9 minus 2 is 7 plus 1 8, 80. So 788980. This is going to be a little bit tedious, right? So it will take a lot of time. Instead of that, what we can do, so we can adapt the base multiplication method only. That is going to be a little bit faster. Okay. So compared to this, you have to check out, right? If it is 3 digit into 3 digit, then you have one more method. It's called as vertically crosswise, that you are going to learn in the coming session. Let us go with one more problem. There 167 and 171 we have to work. See, we have to find the product of 167 and 171. Yeah. So even though, so it's a 3 digit number, so you shouldn't take base as 100 now. If you take base as 100 and working base as 160 or 170, see what happens here. So the ratio will come 1.6, which is a little bit difficult to multiply. Instead of that, what I can do, so you can take base as 10 and working base as 160 or 170. Let me take 170. Take 170 or 160, anything you can take. Let me show you with both the examples, 160 and as well as 170. Let me take first 160. So now the ratio will be 160 by 10, which is going to be 16. Whatever the answer you are going to get in the right side, in the left side, that should be multiplied by 16. Now let me start working on it. The answer, as you know, you will get it in two parts, left and right. So now I took 160 as a working base, so that you are supposed to multiply by 16 here, whatever the answer you are going to get. The difference here, 160 and 7, 167, it is 7. So 160 and this is going to be 11. 11 sevens are 77. As the base is 10, the answer, we are supposed to keep only one digit, that is 7 and 7 carry. 11 sevens are 77. Now add this or this. 170 plus 171 plus 7 is 178. This should be multiplied by 16. You know how to multiply by 16, right? 178 into 16. Right. You can go with the Lopana Stapanabhyam or otherwise multiplication by 16. 8 6 are 48, 0, 48. 7 6 are 42 plus 8, 50 plus 4, 54, 5 carry. 6 plus 7, 13 plus 5, 13 plus 5 is 18, 8, 1 carry. So 0 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2848 plus 7, 2848 plus 7. How much that is? 2855. The answer is 28557. This is one way of solving it. Or otherwise, you can go with working base as 170. See now what happens here. What you can do here is 170 as a working base. Now I'll take 167, that is going to be minus 3, 171, which is going to be 1. 3 ones are 3, that is going to be minus 3. 167 plus 1, 168, or 171 minus 3 is 168. So 168, that should be multiplied by 17. Why? Because the ratio is the working base divided by theoretical base. 0 0 cancel, 17. Now apply that 17, multiplication by 17 method. 8 sevens are 56, 6, 5 carry, 6 sevens are 42, 42 plus 8, 50 plus 5, 55, 5 carry, 7, 1 into 7, 7, 7 plus 6 is 13, 13 plus 5 is 18, 1 carry, right? So 1 plus 1, 2, 2856 minus 3, right? So 2856 and minus 3. So this number I need to convert it into positive number. Also apply Nikilam Sutra. 10 minus 3 is 7. So this will become 5. I need to subtract with 1 and 5, 8, 2. The answer is 28557. Okay, let me go with this 532 and 581. 532, 532 and as well as 581. So what I'll do, I'll take so if I take 100 as theoretical base, 500 will be working base. If I take 10 as a base, then 50 is going to be a working base. So whichever you want, you can take. So what I'll do, so I'll take this only now. So 500 is the working base. So the difference is, see here, 32 plus here the difference is 81. So I took 100 as a base and as well as 500 as a working base. The ratio will be 5, right? Now, and as well as, so 100, I took 100 as a working base. That's what there should be a 2 digits here. 2 digits should be there. Now, so multiply by using vertically crosswise. 2 ones are 2, right? 3 ones are 3 plus 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. 9, 1 carry. 8 is a 24 plus 1, 25. 2592. But only 2 digits should be there. 92 is going to be your right part of the answer. 25 will be considered as a carry. Now add this or this. 581 plus 2, 583, 593, 603, 613. 613. This should be multiplied with 5. Okay. So what you can do, you can adopt multiplication by 5, which you learned in the first level. That is what you used to do. 613, add 0 and divided by 2. What is the answer? We will get 3, 0, 6, 5. 3065. So 3065, 92 and as well as 25 carry. This 25 I will add here. So automatically what happens? 92 here. 5 plus 5, 0, 1 carry, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 1 is 9 and 0 and 3. So 309092 is the answer. 309092 is your answer. Okay.